TM Innovative Solutions.
Scalable Vector Graphics, SVG. Scalable vector graphics are not pixels restrictive. And they support cross-platform vector graphics editing programs. This file format comes highly recommended for your logo designs and illustration projects. Images can include both the subject in transparent background or the subject and the background. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so that you don't miss out on our next video.